Hey you, how's it going? This is Michael Dela Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and chances are you want to know how to make money online faster. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, so stay tuned. Alright, listen up. So I get it, you're looking for ways to make money online faster, right? Things are going slow, maybe things are not working the way you want it. Well, if this is the case, I'm going to help you out. And before doing that, I just want to say thank you for being here. I appreciate you. And what I'm going to share with you in this video is going to be from the bottom of my heart, right? Because that's how I speak. I speak with my heart. And I want to really help you succeed. I want you to really help you get results on the internet. Okay? So if you want to know what is the fastest way to making money online, is this. Find somebody that's already getting the results that you want to get and model after them. Work with them closely. That was my number one mistake when I started. I wanted to do everything myself. I thought that just by reading a few things and doing things myself was going to really get me there, but it really didn't. It took me a little bit to earn my first income on the internet, and the reason why is because I did not have that one-on-one approach, one-on-one coaching. I didn't have that person in there that was really guiding me to where I wanted to go. So I found, after getting frustrated with that, I actually found a person that really helped me get clarity, helped me, be accountable. It actually helped me learn, the things that I needed to do, take some steps, things I needed to do. And when I did those things, guess what? I started getting results on the internet. So that is the big secret. If you ever wanted to make money online, or do anything online, or just pretty much do anything and do it faster, just find a person that is there, that's already there, and just model after them. Let me give you an example. If you get a new job and you're just starting out and you don't know what the heck to do, what is the first thing you do? You actually seek out that person that's already, that's seasoned, that's already getting results, and you simply follow their steps, right? You ask them questions, and you ask for advice, and you follow that advice, and guess what? All of a sudden you start getting results as well. You start being more efficient in what you do. So that's the same thing online. If you ever wanted to make money online, the fastest way that you're going to do that is pretty much by finding somebody that's already getting results and simply connecting with them, right? So that's my piece of advice for you today. And if you got value from this, leave me your comments below, like this video. And if you want to know what is my number one way to earning money online and that you can use to earn money online the fastest way possible, go ahead and click the link below this video and check out that free training. Again, Michael Dela Cruz. Talk to you next time.